This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to calculate BMI online. So this right here is a BMI calculator that I like to use at calculator.net. You can see the URL here. It's quite a long URL at calculator.net, so I'll put that in the video description, so you can just click on that link and you will find yourself here. Now, we've got this nice graphical kind of interface right here. We've got all of our calculations over this side, and then there's a whole bunch of, there's some tables and some charts and stuff if you want to swat up on what BMI means to you and in the wider world. There you go, you've got all of your information right there. So by default, it's set to metric units. We can flip over to US units if we so desire, and we've got other units here. We can actually get very specific here. So let's just keep it on metric for now. You will enter your age right here, your age or the age of a client or whoever you are actually doing this for. So let's say this person is 35. Then we can select male and female, which will obviously change the results. Let's just stick with male right here. Let's say 188 in centimeters, and then in weight, we'll go, I don't know, 90 kilograms or something. So then we can calculate. We can click calculate right there, and just like that, we get our result. You see that the graphic actually changes. We've got all of our information here. You can obviously copy and paste this in somewhere if you need to. That's ticking over just into the overweight territory, which obviously is slightly ridiculous, you know, in a sense that we can have a 188 centimeter person, which is about sort of 6'2", 6'3", I believe. At 90 kilograms, which is a pretty reasonable weight. You know, they could be a bodybuilder or something, they could be in really good shape, but apparently they're overweight according to this. So yeah, as much as I kind of disagree slightly with the whole BMI thing in general, this is how you work it out if you need to work it out for any reason. We can also do US units here, more or less the same. Let's go with a 40-year-old woman this time. We're going to say 5'6" she is, and we'll knock her weight down to, I don't know, 125, and then we'll click calculate. And you can see right here, she's well within the normal range, if anything on the slightly lower side of normal. So that's pretty cool. So that was a video on how to calculate BMI online. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.